What's going on, everyone? It's Khaled, and listen, we've all got bills to pay, right? Wouldn't it be awesome to make an extra $100 a day completely online? The good news is it's totally doable. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. We're diving deep into 5 proven methods that can have you earning cash from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or want to build a full-time online income stream, this video has got you covered. We'll be talking freelancing, affiliate marketing, online tutoring, selling digital products, and even dropshipping. I'll break down each method step by step, giving you the tools and knowledge you need to start seeing those dollar signs rolling in. No more dreaming about financial freedom. Let's make it a reality.
Chapter 3. Online tutoring, share your knowledge, bank the cash. Now, if you're passionate about sharing your knowledge and have a knack for teaching, online tutoring could be your golden ticket to that extra $100 a day. With the rise of online learning, the demand for qualified tutors has skyrocketed. And the best part is, you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Platforms like VIP Kid and Chegg Tutors make it easier than ever to connect with students worldwide who are eager to learn. Whether you're a math whiz, a history buff, or a language aficionado, there's a tutoring gig out there for you. Now, each platform has its own set of requirements, so be sure to do your research and choose the one that aligns best with your qualifications and teaching style. For instance, VIP Kids specializes in teaching English as a second language, ESL, to young learners in China, while Chegg Tutors offers a wider range of subjects for students of all ages. To become an online tutor, you'll typically need a bachelor's degree. In some cases, relevant experience might suffice. A reliable internet connection, a quiet workspace, and of course, a passion for teaching. Once you're all set up, you can set your own hours, work as much or as little as you'd like, and watch your bank account grow as you empower students around the globe.
Chapter 4. Digital products, your expertise, packaged and profitable. Let's talk about digital products, the gift that keeps on giving. Imagine creating a valuable resource once and selling it over and over again without having to restock inventory or deal with shipping logistics. That's the beauty of digital products. From ebooks and online courses to templates, printables, and even stock photos, the possibilities for creating and selling digital products are practically endless. The key is to identify your niche, pinpoint your target audience's pain points, and create a high-quality product that provides real value and solves a specific problem. Let's say you're a whiz at creating stunning social media graphics. You could package your knowledge into an ebook or online course, teaching others how to do the same, complete with templates and step-by-step tutorials. Or maybe you're a financial planning guru. Why not create a comprehensive budget template or an ebook on mastering your finances? The best part about selling digital products is that you get to be your own boss, set your own prices, and keep a larger chunk of the profits compared to traditional retail models. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and even your own website make it easier than ever to showcase and sell your digital creations to a global audience.
Chapter 5. Dropshipping, your online empire, minus the inventory. Last but not least, let's unravel the world of dropshipping, a business model that's taken the e-commerce world by storm. Dropshipping allows you to sell physical products online without actually holding any inventory. Here's how it works. You create an online store using platforms like Shopify, list products from dropshipping suppliers, and when a customer places an order, the supplier handles the packaging and shipping directly to the customer. You act as the middleman, connecting buyers with products and pocketing the difference between your selling price and the supplier's wholesale price. Dropshipping offers a low barrier to entry way to break into the world of e-commerce without the upfront costs and headaches of traditional retail. You don't need to worry about renting a warehouse, managing inventory, or handling shipping logistics. It's all about finding profitable products, marketing your store effectively, and providing excellent customer service. Now, dropshipping isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but with the right approach, it can be a lucrative online business model. Do your research, find reliable suppliers, and focus on building a strong brand and a loyal customer base.
So there you have it, 5 incredible ways to make $100 a day online. Whether you're passionate about freelancing, intrigued by affiliate marketing, or ready to dive into the world of digital products, there's an online income stream out there waiting for you. Remember, building a successful online business takes time, effort, and consistency. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your mistakes, and most importantly, never give up on your dreams of financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more money-making tips, and let me know in the comments which method you're most excited to try. Until next time, keep hustling and keep crushing it.